How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to find your Trust Wallet address, simply you have to launch Trust Wallet app on your device. Enter your password and now make sure that you are logged into your account. On the home page, you will see all your cryptos displayed. You can select any crypto, example BTC. Then after that, you need to simply tap on the receive icon in the middle of the screen. Or your QR code and wallet address will appear. You simply need to tap on copy to copy your wallet address, and after that you can simply share this address as needed. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.